Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to factory reset your boAt earbuds. Okay, so why we need to do this factory reset? So there is a common problems. Okay, if only one earbud is functioning, okay, or if earbuds are not in scanning mode. So if your mobile is not able to find the Bluetooth devices, you can do the factory reset. Even if I'm searching for scan, it might not be available. Okay, fine. So put this earbuds into current orientation. Now I'm going to reset it. So what you need to do is you need to tap thrice. You need to tap triple on this captive touch. So what I'm going to do is triple times I need to tap it on the both earbuds. 1, 2, 3. It should be blinking like this. Then close this. Okay, green and blue light should be blinking. And then close this charging case and reopen it. This time it should be in pairing mode. Then you need to take it out. So automatically the earbuds will be restarted. So if you scan, you can find this here. So it is found. See? So when you tap right to pair, it will be connected. So if it is asking passcode, you need to enter 000040. So I'm going to pair it. So that's it. Now it is connected. So this is the way you can fix it. So if you have this problem, right, you can fix it this way. So I just want to tell one more time. So what you need to do is you need to put this earbuds into this charging case and you need to triple tap. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Triple tap and then close it. So I'm going to reopen it and then we need to take it out. So once taken right, it will be restarted. Okay. And again, you need to scan it and you can pair it. Mine is already connected. So I'm going to unpair it. So once it is unpaired right, you will be able to find these available devices. So you need to tap again and connect it. Okay. And connect it. So if you have pairing issues on Android mobile or iPhone, you can follow this step. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedback in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.